0.04 divided by 2. Since 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. To find out the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and this process will continue. 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0, subtract 0, bring down this 0. But before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 2 goes into this 0, 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are also getting 0. Bring down this 4. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 goes into 4 2 times, right? 2 times 2 4. If you subtract, then remainder will be 0. So you need to stop here, and your answer is 0.02.